I'm Dr. Hala Al-Jiboury, and I'm a gastroenterologist. I practice at AdventHealth in Tampa. Gastroenterology is the study of the digestive tract. It's not only the stomach and small intestines and colon, it also includes the liver and the pancreas. My goal is to impact my patient's life for the better. If I can allow my patients to live long, happy, healthy lives, then I've been successful. I've found that there are not that many female gastroenterologists in Florida, and women may feel uncomfortable to go to a male gastroenterologist. So I would like to encourage the female patients to get screened for their colonoscopies and to see me in clinic.